In this video, I will show you how to create a group on LinkedIn. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Similar to a Facebook group, a LinkedIn group gives you a spot to meet and discuss career-related interests with others. Maybe you haven't found the right group, or perhaps the one you want doesn't exist. Why not create your own LinkedIn group? You can create a group on the LinkedIn website or in the mobile app. But here I will show you how to do it on the web. Open LinkedIn and log into your account. In the feed, find the Groups option at the right side. Click Create Group to start a new group. Give it a name and description. Also, specify other details such as industry type, location, rules, and visibility. You can opt to make your searchable or let it stay undiscoverable. Click Create to start the group. You will now be redirected at your group's home page. First thing you have to do is assign a profile picture and a cover image. From here, you invite your connections and then start making posts. You can opt to let anyone post, or you can enable the approval system from the group's settings. This is how you can create a new group on LinkedIn. If later you decide your LinkedIn group isn't working out, you can delete it. To delete a LinkedIn group, first open it. Click on the edit icon and scroll down a little bit to find the delete group option. This is as simple as that. Feel free to explore other amazing tech videos on our channel. And don't forget to leave your comments and questions on them.